Chameleons are a distinct and fascinating group of lizards, known for their exceptional ability to change colors. Their elongated tongues and their independently mobile eyes. These reptiles belong to the family Chamaeleonidae and are primarily found in Africa and Madagascar, with a few species in southern Europe, the Middle East, and parts of Asia. Chameleons have captivated human imagination due to their unique adaptations and behaviors. Anatomy and physiology of chameleons. Color change. One of the most renowned features of chameleons is their ability to change color. This is not just for camouflage. Chameleons also change color in response to temperature, light, and their emotional state. Specialized cells called chromatophores and iridophores in their skin facilitate this process. Chromatophores contain pigments, while iridophores reflect light. By expanding or contracting these cells, chameleons can produce a wide range of colors and patterns. Eyes. Chameleons have highly specialized eyes that can move independently of each other. This allows them to have a full 360-degree field of vision, crucial for spotting predators and prey. Their eyes can also focus quickly and accurately on objects at varying distances, providing them with exceptional depth perception. Tongue. The chameleon's tongue is another remarkable adaptation. It can be up to twice the length of the chameleon's body and is used to capture prey with incredible speed and accuracy. The tongue is stored in the chameleon's throat and, when deployed, shoots out to snatch insects with a sticky, bulbous end. Feet and tail. Chameleons possess zygodactylous feet with 2 toes, pointing forward and to backward, giving them a vice-like grip on branches. Their prehensile tail also helps in maintaining balance and stability while navigating through trees and bushes. Diet and hunting. Chameleons are primarily insectivores, although larger species may consume small birds and reptiles. They rely on their camouflage to approach prey stealthily and use their long, sticky tongue to capture it. Some chameleons may also consume vegetation to supplement their diet. Habitat. Chameleons are predominantly arboreal, meaning they live in trees, although some species can be found in bushes and on the ground. They thrive in a variety of habitats, including rainforests, savannas, and semi-deserts. Their habitat preference largely depends on the species and its specific adaptations. Social behavior. Chameleons are generally solitary creatures. They can be territorial, especially males during the breeding season. Encounters between chameleons often involve color displays and physical posturing to establish dominance or deter rivals. Reproduction. Chameleons typically breed once a year. Courtship involves color changes and displays by males to attract females. After mating, females lay eggs, which they bury in soil or leaf litter. The number of eggs and the incubation period vary by species. In some species, the eggs can take several months to a year to hatch. A few chameleon species are viviparous, giving birth to live young instead of laying eggs. adaptations and survival strategies. Camouflage, the ability to change color, is a key survival mechanism for chameleons. It helps them blend into their surroundings to avoid predators and ambush prey. Color change can also communicate mood, reproductive status, and dominance. Water conservation. Many chameleons live in arid environments where water is scarce. They have adapted to conserve water through various means, such as excreting waste in a highly concentrated form to minimize water loss. Thermoregulation. Chameleons are ectothermic, relying on external sources to regulate their body temperature. They bask in the sun to warm up and retreat to shaded areas to cool down. Color change also assists in thermal regulation, with darker colors absorbing more heat and lighter colors reflecting it. Many chameleon species face threats from habitat loss, climate change, and the pet trade. Deforestation and land conversion for agriculture are major issues, particularly in Madagascar, home to the highest diversity of chameleon species. Conservation efforts focus on habitat protection, research, and regulations on trade to ensure the survival of these remarkable reptiles. Cultural significance. In some cultures, chameleons hold symbolic meanings and are featured in folklore and mythology. They are often associated with adaptability and transformation due to their color-changing ability. Chameleons face several threats that endanger their populations. Habitat destruction due to deforestation, agricultural expansion, and urban development is a significant threat, especially in Madagascar. Climate change also poses risks by altering the habitats and environmental conditions that chameleons rely on. Conservation efforts. Various initiatives aim to protect chameleon habitats and promote sustainable land use. Protected areas and national parks are established to conserve critical habitats. Additionally, captive breeding programs and research on chameleon biology and ecology support conservation strategies. Legislation and trade regulation. International agreements, such as the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora sites regulate the trade of chameleons to prevent overexploitation. Education and awareness campaigns also play a role in reducing the demand for wild-caught chameleons and promoting ethical pet ownership. Chameleons are extraordinary creatures with a suite of unique adaptations that have evolved to help them survive and thrive in diverse environments. Their ability to change color, their specialized vision and hunting techniques, and their fascinating behaviors make them a subject of intrigue and admiration. However, the challenges they face from human activities and environmental changes highlight the need for concerted conservation efforts. By understanding and protecting chameleons, we not only preserve these remarkable reptiles, but also the intricate ecosystems they inhabit. If you like our video and appreciate our efforts, then please subscribe our channel, share and press the bell icon to get informative videos. Thanks for watching.